Hey everybody, this movement pattern I'm about to teach you, I started doing it in the morning when I woke up in bed, and it erased all of those overnight twinges that you sometimes get, you know, if you've laid in a funny position, and it left me feeling really good all day. This is day 12 of my Somatics in the Sunshine series and the last one, so thank you for everybody that has joined me every single day for these practices. I do not have a yoga mat because we're going to do a bit of sliding, so let's begin. We'll start on the back and just allow your fingertips to curl up towards the sky. Maybe close the eyes and breathe, come to settle. Enjoy this moment of stillness. We don't allow ourselves to be still much in life anymore because we're always on the go, we're always stimulated. Take a big inhale and a long exhale through the mouth. A nice release. And then we'll begin. We'll start in this X shape. We've done this a few times before. Concentrating on the side of the body that is closest to me, bring that elbow and that knee to meet in this side crunch. So your body is sliding across the floor and then extending back out to the X. Again, so externally rotating the hip, trying to bring the knee and the elbow together. It might not touch. And then stretching out again. One more of these. Scrunching to the side, noticing where you're feeling it. Is it the shoulder? Is it the outer hip? And come back out. We'll do that on the other side. Bringing the elbow and the knee together. Body's coming in this side crunch. And stretch back out to the X. Again, scrunching and observing where you feel it most. So on this side, I feel it in the hip more than the shoulder. And one more of these, scrunching and extend back out. Excellent. Moving back to the first side, we'll add on. As we scrunch this knee and elbow together, the furthest away arm and leg will come in a circle over the top, as if you're drawing the circumference of a circle on the earth, and coming to this fetal position, which is known as seed. And then we extend everything back out, back to an X. Okay, again, starting drawing the circle and then closing the body in to this seed shape, coming into a little ball, and then powering back out to the X. And again, coming round into the seed and trying to keep the toe and the fingertips of the back arm and foot on the floor. It might be a bit difficult if the floor's a bit sticky. I'm not sliding that well today. Excellent, and we'll do the other side. So initiating the movement first of all with that little scrunch, and then we slide the other arm and leg round to come into the seed. And then we open out again into X. And as you do that, just how's it feeling in the body? Where are you feeling it? Is one side flowing better than the other? Often does. Last one like this. And then we open back out, back to the X. And we're going to move on again. Final add-on. Start with the first side again. We're scrunching into the seed. We come into seed, and then we power out into star. So keep the bottom leg and arm on the floor, come back to seed, and open out again. X. Again. Seed. Star. Full body stretch. Back to seed. Back to X. One more on this side. Scrunching into the seed. Extend out into star. Back to a seed. Back to X. Oh, hello Tamara. And we'll go to the other side. So initiating the move with the scrunch, we come into this seed and then powering out into star. full body stretch, back to the seed, and back to the X. X, seed, star, seed, X. Last one, seed, star, seed, and X. And just lay here for a moment in this X shape, reflecting, scanning the body. How does it feel? I feel pretty energized, actually. It felt good to do that burst open into a star. So when we extend our muscles out and hold them and then gradually release back down, that is known as pandiculation. That's a really useful tool in somatics. It's very calming for the nervous system. If you look at animals, particularly dogs, they do this whenever they get up, when they do their downward facing dog followed by upward facing dog. That is a pandiculation movement. Okay, come back into seed, closest to me, and make your way back up to a comfortable seat. Well, that was the conclusion of this somatic series. I hope you've enjoyed it. I really enjoyed filming it. It's so nice to move the body in all these different ways and break out of our regular movement patterns. If you do a lot of yoga or other type of exercise like calisthenics, or you're a runner, a swimmer, a golfer, a cyclist, we have very habitual movement patterns which build up in our body, and also how we live our lives every day, where we carry our bag, and also where we carry all our stress when we're at work and we're in front of a computer and we get stressed and wound up and we feel the tension in the shoulders and in the neck and in the jaw. We need a way to release all this. We need a way to unravel all of this tightness that appears in the body, either through physical movement or through emotional reactions. And somatics really is a great key to help unlock all of that. Take care, thank you again, and enjoy the rest of your day. Happy 2025!